Keep getting that annoying Fortnite client entry point not found error on your PC? Don't stress. In this video, I'll walk you through fixing the Fortnite client entry point not found error and getting back to dominating with those headshots. No time to waste. Let's jump right into the solutions. Solution 1. Repair the Visual C Runtime program. To do this, open up Settings. Then click on Apps and then on Installed Apps. Now in the search bar here, type in Visual. And you'll see the Visual C Runtime program pop up here. Then click on the three-dot icon next to its name and select Modify from the drop-down menu. After that, click on Yes to give permission. Next, click on the Repair button and wait for it to finish. Once it's done, close the window. Now you may have more than one Visual C Runtime program installed on your PC. Don't forget to repair them just like this. Then reboot your computer. And after your computer boots up, check if the error is gone. Solution 2. Install the latest version of the Visual C Runtime program. To do this, open up this link in a browser of your choice. Don't worry about the link, you can find it in the video description. Now when you're on this page, scroll down a little and come to this section. Next, just click here and get the latest version of Visual C Runtime. Make sure to download the one that matches your computer's processor architecture. After it is downloaded, open it up. Now take this box and click on Install. Next, click on Yes to give permission for installation. And it'll kick off downloading and installing the newest version of the program. Once it's done, click on Restart to reboot your PC. After your PC turns on, check if the error is solved. Solution 3. Run the game as administrator. Right-click on the Fortnite shortcut from your desktop and select Properties. Then switch to the Compatibility tab. From here, check the box Run this program as administrator. Click Apply and then on OK. Now open the game and see if the error is gone. Solution 4. Verify and repair the game. To do this, open Epic Games Launcher. Then switch to the Library tab. Now click on the three-dot icon below the Fortnite poster. Next, click on Manage from the pop-up menu. Then click on Verify. After that, the launcher will verify and repair any corrupted files. Once the verification and repair process is done, restart your computer. And after your computer boots up, the error shouldn't pop up in Fortnite anymore. So guys, that's how you troubleshoot the Fortnite client entry point not found error on your PC. If the video did the trick for you, smash that like button. Got any questions or suggestions? Drop them in the comments and I'll get back to you real soon. Thanks a million for watching.